His smile a ray of golden light guides me through the darkest night. Love from him, a precious art. It pierces through my every part. His touch, a gentle symphony, playing melodies only I can see. Love from him, a shining star, guiding me near and far. In his arms I find my peace, a love that will never cease. He holds me like a fragile dream, protecting me from every scream of the world outside that's so cold. In his embrace I'm never old. His fingers trace my every curve, like an artist with a perfect nerve. He paints a picture of our love with colors from heaven above. There are times when clouds may come and shadows try to overcome, but his love is like a lighthouse beam, guiding me through the darkest stream. He stands by me through thick and thin. His love is my only win. In the stormy seas alive, he's the anchor, my sweet life. Love from him, a precious art. It pierces through my every part. His touch, a gentle symphony, playing melodies only I can see. Love from him, a shining star, guiding me near and far. In his arms I find my peace, a love that will never cease. A love that will never cease. Love. In the silence of the morning, the sun awakens and opens the world in colors. Each ray is a hug, a promise, and life dances to the sound of the winds. Beautiful life, how beautiful you are, woven into threads of hope and stars. Every day is a gift, every day is a gift, to paint with love and laughter.